So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I welcome you all to my TikTok channel. Wherever you are watching me from, you know it's Crypto Lord. I always say that the most easiest way to make money in trading is choosing crypto arbitrage, because forex, crypto trading, that one you just predict the market and maybe the market can go against you. But in this case, this one, there's no way you will be losing your money if you only have the opportunity coin. Yeah, so that's why we have the arbitrage signal boat that gives you opportunity for you to what use it to trade. So the most difficult part is what searching for signals and to trade. Yeah, so after learning every skills, you need the opportunities to make money. Yeah, so if you want to join my mentorship, you can chat me and we talk about it. And if you also need the signal boats too, you can just tell me you need signal boats. It's just $60 for the signal boats. But if you join my class this coming Saturday, yeah, that one is just $10, and I'll give you the boat for just $40. Yeah, and I'll teach everything that you need to know about crypto arbitrage from scratch. Yeah, so let me search for. So the boat said I should trade ASP. That's why when I open my exchanges, I know the coin that I'm searching and the coin that I will be trading with. Yeah. Hey, BTC is now 80,000. So you can see that right now, markets, they are all red. So people who are going short are making money right now. People who are trading shorts are making money right now, because most of these coins are going down. Yeah. So if you are to trade with EXP, that's what the bot said I should what use ESP USDT. So right now on Bank X is what 0.04061. At times you don't forget, I can give you signals and you still can't make it, because we have a way of buying it and a way of selling it and stuff. We have a lot. Yeah, that's you need to learn. So just have a good mentor for him to guide you. That's it. So right now over here is 0.04062, right? And when I come here and search for EXP, ASP, and make sure that you are buying it from spots. Over here is 0.03889. And here is what 0.04061. So it means that I'll be buying this from here and selling it over here. Yeah. So when I come to trade, we have a way of buying it. We don't buy it on limit order. That's one secret. Yeah, we have a way of what buying it. Consider we have a lot of ways. So we have a way of what buying it. Yeah. But I put it on limit order for just for you to see the values there. So if I'm buying $100, let me see how much I'll be earning. I'll be getting 2,568 of what? So 2,568 68.71. Okay, the point is not coming. So it means that if I'm trading with what? I'm trading with $100 per every trade. I'll be earning 4 USDT as what? As profit. And you can know that, hey, BTC is now 81,000. Charlie. And you can see that. Over here, the fee is what 0.1, not even up to 0.2. That's the trading fee. Bank S, they charge trading fee. Yeah, they charge trading fee. That one you have to know. Bank S, they charge trading fee. When you're selling your coin, they charge trading fee. Yeah. So it means that for $100, I'll be earning $4. So let's say you'll be using 0.4. So like the withdrawal fee is what 0.4. and then this one is 0.1. So let's say you'll be using 0.6 to do all that, so you'll be getting 3.4 as profit, right? Yeah. So trading and making 3.4 every day, every trade per on $100 capital is not bad. You see, it's not small and it's not bad. Yeah. So one thing is, after trading first, you can trade as many as you want. So imagine if $4 I trade 10 times, I'll be getting $40, and I will not withdraw my profit. I'll re-add it. So if I re-add the 40 to the 100, making it 140, let's see how much I'll be in. 140, 3596. 3596. 3596. So the 40, I will say that they have increased. That's what I was saying. That's what I always tell my students. Just rebuild your capital. Don't chop your profit. Re-add it to capital and you are good to go. So if I add it, you can see that right now I'm earning 5.6. 5.6, I can use the $6 for $6, 0.6 USDT for the fees, and I'm cashing out $5. So $5 times what? Times 10 is how much? It's 50. Then I'll add the 50 to the what? The 140, making it 190. What this? 190. I'm getting 4880. 4880, right? So 4880, I'll be earning $7 as what? As profit. You see that thing? Then $7 as profit, you trade it 10 times. How much are you earning? 70. You see, then you add the 70 to the 190, making it what? 260. Watch something. 260. So if I come here 260, I'm earning 6,678. So let me come here. 6,678. 6,678. I'm in 270. That means I've earned right now per every trade. I'm earning what? $10. You see that thing? Yeah. So don't just think about using a small capital and you'll be getting small money. Think about rebuilding the capital. You see that thing? Yeah, that's how it is. So when you join my mentorship, I make sure to show you all these things. I teach you all these things. Like if you are a beginner, or you have, some of the beginners have huge capital to start. Yeah, I have like beginners who have 5,000, 10,000 to start arbitrage. Yeah, I have some. Yeah, but some too, they don't have money to trade. You see that thing? Yeah. So I will show you everything and teach you everything from scratch, and how to guide you rebuild your capital. So I'll teach you all these things. Is that thing? Yeah. So that's why I'm saying that you need a mentor that will what? Guide you through. I will show you all the tools that you need in order to make the arbitrage journey very easy for you. This one, you are trading it manually, so you can trade as many as you want. But if you don't want to trade it yourself, we also have AI bots that can also trade for you whilst you relax and cash out. That too is also there. That's $60 as well. And I will video call you and show you how to use it. You see that thing? Yeah. So I'll teach you all these things. You see? Yeah. So that's all for today. And thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out. Yeah.